Hi, so today we'll be discussing with program 12 of Data Visualization Lab. So let's see. So first connect to the dataset that is Amazon Prime dataset and load the dataset. We don't have to transform the data here. The thing is loading the data and transforming the data, it depends on your dataset. If like you have some columns which are like empty, null, so that time you have to remove. So it doesn't matter if it is there also. But then for this one, it's not mandatory if you have to transform any data. So first, let's see what's the 12th program. Analysis of Amazon Prime dataset. So connect to your dataset for that. And then we have 5 steps we have to do. 5 and build an interactive dashboard, which you can do it together or if you want, you can do it at the end. Up to you. So first step is, the first part is create a donut chart to show the percentage of movie and TV shows. So movie and TV shows, we should show the percentage of it. So for that, select donut chart and drag type to legend and to values drag count of title, which is here. Title, count of title, according to your dataset you can get. So you'll find a donut chart like this here. Then in this, actually everything is there, movie, TV shows and everything. But I guess they asked movies and TV shows. So for that, you have to apply filter on type, yeah, and then choose only movies and TV shows. In my dataset it is at the end, so I'm just choosing movie and TV shows. Since they asked like of movies and TV shows, you have to show the percentage of movies and TV shows. You have to filter the data. Then I'm just minimizing it so it looks something like this. So green color indicates movies and green or blue color indicates TV shows. So you can see that movie shows are more compared to TV show. Yeah. So yeah, you can change the title if you want, like whatever percentage of movies and TV shows, anything up to you. From format your visual, and then you can choose all the names and everything. Here first you should click on it, and then general to title, you can go and you can change the title according to your need. Up to you. So for second one, this was the first part, the donut chart. And then second one is create an area chart to show by release year and type. So for this thing, we have to create a area chart and to show release year and type. So for that, we have to choose area chart. So this is the area chart. I guess we are using it for the first time. So area chart and then drag year, release year to x-axis and count and type to y-axis and title to secondary y-axis. So you can see an area chart will be formed. Like this blue color shows count of type and the dark blue color shows count of title. So you'll get an area chart like this. Or according to your data set, this may go up, this may go like this. Anything according to your data set, you'll get an area chart like this. This was the second part. So for third one, create horizontal bar chart to show top 10 genre. So first we should create bar chart. So choose stacked bar chart and then to y-axis drag listed in here, this one, and to x-axis drag title. You'll get this thing. So now to count of title here, no, in listed in, choose top n and choose top 10 since they asked us to apply the filter. So by values according to their title, apply filter. Okay. So this is genre itself. So you saw top 10 are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's see what's the top one. Action, anime, and comedy. Perfect. So you will find this thing. So for that top 10 and according to title, you can filter it to show top 10 genres. The thing is in my dataset, genres is basically this thing, what title is. So if I drag title, it show the all the genres. So according to your dataset, if like genre there's a separate column, then choose that one for filtering the data. So this was the third part, and then fourth part, create a map to display total shows by country. So map shows by country. So for that we'll choose filled map because it'll be colorful. Or else we'll do both and then we'll compare it, like which is better. First I'm taking filled map. Let's keep this up, no? Space will be there. However, there's some just lines, that's it. Yeah. Let me make it big as of now. Okay. So here, location, they asked country. So drag country. And to legend, drag show ID. So you saw color scheme. See, in some previous what program also I said colors will come because of legend. So when you saw when I dragged show ID, colors like first it was only blue, then a different color scheme. Good. Like dark blue, light blue, brown, and everything. So let's see how will this map show. This will just show like dots, small small dots, which is not even visible. Like if I zoom, it is not visible. If I zoom out, you can see that there are some dots are there. So field map is better for me. It's according to your wish, whichever you want, you can choose because they didn't specify like which map they want. Create a map. So it's your wish. You can choose filled map or you can choose normal map also. Up to you. Then, fifth one, create a text sheet to show the description of any movie or movies. So they're asking to show text sheet to show the description of movies. So for that, we're going to choose table, which is this one, and drag. There's only one column, so you have to drag title along with the description. Description. So you can see that you got title along with description. This was the fifth part. Let me minimize it according to my map. Then last part is build an interactive dashboard. We already built the dashboard. If you want, you can keep like everything single, each page, one chart or anything, one graph or chart, and then uh, at the end you can make it as a dashboard. It's up to you. Or together, like however I did, one dashboard, you can do it like that also. So final output should look something like this. Colors up to you, whichever color you want, you can choose. So this was the 12th program and also the end of data visualization lab programs. So that was it for now. Bye.